This is your regional councilor, Sammy
and local councilor, Kristina Tesser-Dirksen.
And we are thrilled to be here at the CHAMPS facility located at 300 Bronte Street South. They have a new facility, grand opening happening on June 1st at 5 p.m.
Grand opening right here at CHAMPS, 300 Bronte Street South. Come on out, bring the family. There's going to be axe throwing and snacks for the adults. The kids can play at the arcade. I'm quite excited to challenge my esteemed colleague, Sammy to an axe throwing contest. We can't bring axes into council chambers, so we'll do it here.
And this is a great opportunity for us to go one-on-one. And Kristina, I have no doubts in my mind that when we're one-on-one, I'm going to win every single time, and I'm going to hit that bullseye every single time.
Your doubts are not worth much.
Well, we'll see you on June 1st, 300 Bronte Street South, CHAMPS. And is there an age limit on this?
I believe we have to be mindful of people under the age of 16 throwing sharp objects. So if you have family that's under that age, there's lots of other things for folks to do. There's arcade, there's laser tag, there's bowling, there's great food, great drink, and great company. So bring the whole family.
Milton, we invite you. We look forward to seeing you June 1st, CHAMPS, 300 Bronte Street South at 5 p.m. Thank you very much, Kristina. I'm super excited. I know you're excited.
Me too.
And I can't talk about it again, but I will say it again. I'm going to win.
We'll see.